Let's take a look at replacing the map sensor on this 2001 Dodge Intrepid with a 2.7 liter engine. Now the map sensor is located right up front. And you can see that we've probably got a little bit of leakage going on here. We see some oil coming out of the intake plenum around the seals on the sensor. So I'm going to depress the tab here, give it a little squeeze, and disconnect the electrical connector, and kind of move it off to the side. There's a bolt on the bottom side here. I'm going to take my 7mm socket with an extension and back that bolt out. Once I get that bolt out, I'm going to set it off to the side here. I grab my sensor, give it a little bit of a twist, and remove it. Now you can see there's quite a bit of buildup on here, which is typically normal from some engine blow-by. It gets caught in the upper intake plenum. But I will take a little bit of that oil, lubricate the O-ring that came on my new sensor, and gently twist the sensor, pop it into place. Going to take the bolt, line it up, and thread it in place. Get this snug down nice and tight. Plug in my electrical connector, and the repair is nearly complete. Now, if there are any trouble codes set with the previously faulty map sensor, we want to go into the control module and clear those out. And of course, verify that we've done the repair properly. Hopefully now you understand what's involved with replacing the map sensor on this 2001 Dodge Intrepid with a 2.7 liter engine.